Welcome to Photoshop Express or PS Express. Recently, they combined Photoshop Fix, Mix, and Express all into one place, which makes it a really convenient tool to use. So up at the top, you'll see Edit, Retouch, Mix, Collage, and Capture. So if we wanted to simply edit a picture, we would hit Edit and select the image that we want to edit. And at the bottom, there's all kinds of things that you can choose from. So looks is essentially filters, so you can change your filter to whatever. You can also selectively choose things that are more to your category. So for example, if you wanted a pop of color, they have pop of color presets and things like that for you to choose from. So good photos don't need filters. Down at the bottom, there are adjustments. So you can choose to change the light, the color, add effects, details. Whenever you hit something and it is a new tool that haven't used for the first time, it'll also kind of walk you through different things. So you can learn how to change hue, saturation, and luminance all in one place, and it'll do a great job explaining that. There's also split tone, blur, so you can do a radial blur just to focus on one particular area. You can add vignettes, so the edges can get darker or lighter. There's healing, so what's really cool about healing is that you kind of just touch the areas that you want to heal. They're not perfect, so anytime you make a mistake in Lightroom, there's the undo button that you can go back to. So those undo buttons are really helpful. But Heal is a great tool. There's basic and advanced. You can crop your photo for different social media things or for different, just a different look to it. There are themes. There are different overlays. So if you wanted to add a light leak to your photo, you could add a light leak and also adjust how strong that light leak is. There's some grunge textures as well. So this menu here shows you what all of those look like without having to actually take the time to click on every single one of those. So I'm just kind of looking through to see if anything enhances my photo. This is a really great app to get and stay creative and try new things. So this one here are different film effects, which give a really interesting look to it. Some cyberpunk, there's some glitch ones there. So each of these kind of do something different. So maybe I just want to put a small texture on my photo. Maybe this one here. That's just a small texture. And I can blend and overlay that to my liking. I can add text, stickers, borders. So let's see, for the text, I can just pick something that enhances my photo. Let's see, maybe this is for a bake sale. But again, if I mess up, I can hit undo. There's also some other things on here. So there are PS effects, and they would like to connect to find different devices to your local network. You can hit OK to connect with your Photoshop devices in your local network. But what's cool about this is you can connect to Adobe Photoshop and hit continue and easily connect different things, and it'll walk you through how to make some remote connections. So I'm gonna go backwards. So it's a really cool tool to use because you're using your phone and your laptop at the same time. There's some other things on here as well, like if you're trying to edit eyes, there's an eye feature here. And then there's also a feature in the bottom right, which is collage and edit in. You can pick to edit in different things in different apps. So once you like your photo, up at the top, there is a magic wand, which will kind of auto do things for you. Next to it is the before and after. The down arrow with the little bracket is just to show you and to save your photo onto this program. And then the box with the top going up, if we click that, you can add watermarks, you can send it to your Lightroom, your Creative Cloud, so you can easily open it on your laptop. You can save as a PDF, you can change the quality. And then in the top right-hand corner, you can maximize your JPEG quality. You can make it square if you're putting on Instagram. I'm gonna go ahead and close this out. And in the far top right is you can revert back to your original if you wanted to. So it's really easy to save and edit photos, but I'm gonna hit don't save for now. There's retouch, mix, collage, and capture. So for example, if I hit capture, I can capture using these different filters, which are really cool. I can also add face art. I can also open Adobe Camera at any point in time. So I can always go back, and these apps are intermingled and really help you out. So if I scroll down, it does have different things that the more you invest time and effort into it, the better you're gonna get. So there's different tutorials. You can start off with a blank canvas with different like styles and shapes. There's also different grids. You can learn how to do things like denoise and dehaze. Here's some more shape layouts, and then collage. So to the right at the bottom, you can hit my projects, and as you save things and work on things, like if you wanted to start editing a picture, it would pop up on here. So that is pretty much Photoshop Express, all a little tutorial there. So if you have any questions, let me know.